Next question, question number 4 is a very simple and straightforward question of percentages, the application of percentages. So let's take this question in different steps. So first of all, I'll assume that the total capital invested by Arjun is, let's say, 100. Now this capital is divided in three parts. First of all, 30% of his capital is invested at 5%. So that means rupees 30 is invested at a rate of 5%. Okay. So annual interest that he will get will be 5% of 30. That will be rupees 1.5. This will be the annual interest on this income. Then X percent of his capital at 7%. So rupees X is invested at 7%. So annual interest will be 7% of X, that is 0.07X. And the remaining capital. So remaining capital, that means he has invested 30 and X in the first two schemes. So the remaining capital, that is 100 minus 30 minus X. That means an amount of rupees 70 minus X is invested at a rate of 9% per annum. Okay, so the rate of the interest that he will receive will be 9% of 70 minus 9% of X. So 9% of 70, that is 9 upon 100 into 70, that is 6.3 minus 0.09X. So this will be the annual interest that he will get on this. Okay. Now total annual interest will be the sum of these three, which is 1.5 plus 0.07x plus 6.3 minus 0.09x. Okay, so this will be the total annual interest. Now the question says that if it takes at least 15 years for the entire interest to exceed the initial capital. So 15 years का interest कितना हो जाएगा? It will be 15 times the annual interest, and it takes at least 15 years to exceed this value, the initial capital. What was the initial capital? It was 100. Okay, so this is the inequality that we have got. Now you can simplify this inequality. Simple hai bahut. So you can keep x on one side and you can take the other values, the constants on the other side, and you will obtain that x is less than 56.67 upon solving this inequality. Now here we have to find out the maximum possible value of x. Now since x is less than 56.67 and it is also given that x is integer, so just below 56.67, the maximum value that x can take will be equal to 56, and hence 56 will be the correct answer for this question, and that is the answer. So it was very simple and straightforward. It's just that you just need to take care of the different steps, and once you have made the final inequality, then the calculations, taking x on one side, the constant terms on the other side, this has to be done very carefully. All right, now let's move on to question number 5 with this.